There's a reason mankind didn't peak with the discovery of fire, or the invention of the wheel. It's a feeling inside all of us that compels us to go further, reach higher, and dream of ways to achieve the unachievable. When the odds are stacked against us and it seems like the entire world wants to tell us no, that's not possible. Surely that can't be done. And we look up to the stars and say, just watch me. Because we know that rules are made to be broken. We know that dreams are made to be followed. That the impossible is made to be possible. And that gaming consoles are made to evolve. Welcome to the next level in gaming innovation, the KF Console.
Like everyone else that has a 3D printer, they can only print one print at a time.
I can only print one small model at a time.
As an experienced user of 3D printers, I've encountered a lot of shortcomings of traditional 3D printers during use.
You can only print models 30 centimeters long at a time.
Because of our love of 3D printing, we hope to use our own strength to help users of various groups create an unprecedented and more advanced product. Introducing Creality 3D Print Mill. This newly designed Core XY mechanical structure, combined with the 45-degree tilted print nozzle and the carbon fiber conveyor belt with unlimited Z-axis, makes it possible for many print jobs that traditional 3D printers can't achieve. Through the slow-moving high-strength conveyor belt, 3D Print Mill can achieve a continuous printing of batch models without manual management, improving your time and cost-effectiveness. The infinite Z-axis design makes long strip printing that was unimaginable in the past possible and opens up countless possibilities for future model design. The mass production you can achieve with 3D Print Mill can further global public welfare undertakings. For example, production of low-cost microscopes with 3D printing technology can bring more possibilities for the popularization of medical and educational appliances in the third world. This is the Creality 3D Print Mill, an epic-making 3D printer born to transcend pain points using new technology to create a perfect 3D printing experience.
Really long print.
It's an awesome project.
More bigger print than this to see what it's capable of.
Better than any other manufacturing
Make
company
this
in
the
the market.
best quality machine.
It's a community project in many ways.
guys. This is Arcade 1UP. I'm Scott Backrack. I'm the CEO and founder of Tastemakers, parent company to Arcade 1UP. You know us. We're the guys that brought you all the games that you love and reimagine at your house. We all love arcade games. We also all love board games. We all have our favorites. Monopoly, Scrabble. That got us all thinking. What if we were able to make a device that could actually hold all of your games in one place? We did that. And now let me introduce you to the best product you've ever seen. It's the Infinity Gaming Table. We have the best library known to mankind. And we're doing that by partnering up with the most incredible brands in the world. In addition to these classic board games, we're gonna have a whole section dedicated to activities, puzzles, coloring books, and your favorite comic books. And because it's Wi-Fi, we're gonna have our own online store with new games that you can download. The Infinity Gaming Table, it's like nothing you've ever seen before. Our machine actually knows where you're sitting around the machine. You can have up to 6 of your friends sitting at the same place at the same time. You can actually be playing with people in 2 different states. We're taking classic board games, we're pulling them all together, and we're giving you a designated hub to play your favorite board games in a true board game experience. The Infinity Gaming Table has been in the works for almost 18 months, and we're ready to go. And this is the opportunity for you to experience it first.